going? Is it gone?
I love how one is crossed out and the other one's...
gave you a thumbs up, if you must know.
Yeah, I know. I'm joking. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do. So, hi. We're doing some surprise toy boxes. I've already hauled all of this stuff in a previous video on my single channel, not for you. You have to wait. It was also the same one where I got this necklace, so I'm free to wear it in any video now. So we're doing rock, paper, scissors to see who gets what box.
Okay, I forget what we actually said. Winner
Gets the pink and blue, loser gets the green and orange.
Okay, the pink is squished.
It is. They're both kind of squished. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Doing best of three or?
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You get the pink.
Okay.
Okay. So I grabbed the scissors because I don't know how much of it we need to actually cut open, but I know there's tape on the top, so I'm just gonna slice that and do that need be.
It's also slightly concerning because it's literally just Scotch tape.
Well, this is meant for little people. So, here that is. I think they're all individually wrapped items. I'm not sure. It says unwrap 8 totally awesome items, so I'm assuming, yes.
Okay.
We have seen a slight idea of an example on the photos, but I don't think
So here's
that's
a
what we
question
got.
for you. Do we want to keep this idea? Or dump them into a pile, mix them up, and just grab what we grab?
I mean, we could, but I think you can kind of tell what belongs to what pack.
No?
No?
Mm-mm.
Oh. Okay, well, let's just dump it. Oh, I found bubbles. I know that much.
So I think you get bubbles in each one because there are two
Yeah,
here,
so
so
just pick a bubble.
I'm going to go with this one.
Okay, let's see what our bubbles look like. You can just open it to...
Oh.
Just open the top.
I mean, you can keep this bag. It's a Ziploc.
I got blue bubbles.
I got blue bubbles.
Yay!
You can go in the bubble stash at the church.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, though, we do have a small bubble stash growing. As prizes and just as in general, because they got abandoned.
Plastic?
So, pick your poison. What would you like? Go ahead. Open up first.
I'm going to go with this.
Okay, let's see what you get. What do you get? What do you get? Oh no.
I get little bats.
So what you're saying is these are totally going as prizes for the kids because I don't think you want a bat.
Not really, but this blue's pretty.
Alright, well I'm gonna
I do like the color
this.
scheme, that like limey
Oh, no.
green and that blue.
I think I know what this is. Just by the feel of it. It's a kazoo. Now, how would you play it? What way do you put it in your mouth? Oh no, it's a bad kazoo. It doesn't work.
Bad kazoo, it doesn't even work.
I just said that. The kazoo doesn't work. Oh no. Hopefully that didn't just break it. I have gained a kazoo.
That might be a spit catcher.
I think it is a spit catcher.
That has to vibrate.
It wasn't working either way.
Yeah.
It's a dead kazoo. It's okay. I'll keep it for aesthetics.
Well, this is great. I can tell you right now, she bought these for kids
I
for
did.
Christmas, so
Your
they're
turn.
going to be disappointed.
Who cares? I don't think they do. What you got? Can you figure it out by feeling it?
No.
Okay.
Feels like two separate things, though.
Maybe it's more bats. Is it more bats?
It's a disc thingy, a disc launcher.
I feel
I
like...
got a basketball disc.
I don't know if I trust you with that.
Let me put it this way. Nope, the other way.
Eh.
It's gone. They fell into the floor.
Oh no. I think I want whatever this thing is. I think it might be another disc launcher type thing.
I can't get it. My monkey feet are failing me.
It's fine. Oh no, it's a little bow and arrow
That's cute.
set.
That's
Is there a
adorable.
little actual note? So I guess I just have to throw it at it.
It doesn't even shoot straight. That's disappointing. Thank you.
I feel like
I'm just gonna put everything in this bag.
It's a dark.
oh yes, it is. Cause look, it sticks.
It's a dark.
Yes, I'm so thrilled. Hey, I needed a win. My first one wasn't good.
I'm gonna go with this thing.
What?
They're koosh balls.
Oh no. No, I feel like that's something you're gonna end up holding on to.
I don't actually know what you would do with them, but they're fun. They're like an aesthetic thing. They're fun. Squeeze them.
I feel like my cats would love it. I kind of want to go with whatever this is. Because this is one of like the flattest things we have.
Stencils. Stencils are not a toy. Thank you very much.
Look at them though. It's like Dracula, Frankenstein, spider, and flying minion octopus thing. This was like $3, so.
I love these things.
Oh no, what is it?
Well, there's a top,
Uh-huh.
a spin top. Pretty decent spin top, and then one of these things.
What do you do with them? Is it supposed to pop?
Yes.
Duchess! A wild Duchess has appeared, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and a wild Duchess has just left. I don't think it's gonna do what it's supposed to do, friend.
I'm so upset. There it
Okay, I guess then I will go with this because that's the one that I had.
goes. You
whenever
can't
it
feel
popped.
them before you pick one. Cheater.
Does that mean I have to eat pumpkin? Because cheater,
Yes.
pumpkin eater. I don't like pumpkin.
Okay.
Yeah, I do like pumpkin
Notepad and
cookies.
erasers.
There's 2 of each in what one?
Sure. The notepad's cute.
It is cute.
It's a little beluga whale.
Here you go. Here's 3 erasers. Show them to the camera.
Is a turtle and a green smiley and a basketball.
Because why not? I think we might have gone through all the boy stuff already. Because I think there's only like 8 in each thing, so.
This thing's pink, whatever it is, I think, so.
How many do we have left?
That did not open that bag.
No! Turn it off!
Bracelets, which
Might fit
might
because,
fit me.
honestly, you know, if you detach your thumb.
Yeah, almost.
So close.
I'll give him to Lily.
So
Or
which
Jalen.
Jalen probably would like it. What next?
Oh, that's for you. Your bag.
How about this thing? It's another kazoo!
What if that one actually works? That's not how a kazoo works! Are you supposed to...
I don't know.
You're supposed to hum into it.
Hey! That one worked.
The other one would too.
I was today years old when I realized you don't just blow into a kazoo.
It's not working.
Yeah, the hum is good. That was that little tiny editing.
It stopped working.
Mine doesn't work. I guess you can keep it. Keep your kazoo.
I think the fails are more fun than the actual kazoo.
You get to keep that kazoo.
Know that?
No! It's turning into just a microphone.
I'm sorry, headphone users.
Kazoos are so hard to operate! Since when was a kazoo hard to operate? Here, would you like to try the kazoo?
You can have my red kazoo if you want. Here's my red kazoo.
You alright?
I don't think she'll be okay.
Ooh, my cheeks hurt.
The other way.
Nope.
The little thingy, the little paper's over here.
That's what makes it vibrate.
Well, here, you can shove it back in it. Okay. I don't know how Tiffany even disassembled it.
That's why it didn't do nothing.
Tiffany, how did you get this apart? We gotta put the paper back in so Mom can kazoo. We have 4 items left. You need to pick one.
Breathe.
Pick a thing. Pick a thing. Pick a
Hold
thing.
on, I gotta fix the kazoo.
My kazoo just kind of sounded like a dying cow.
I don't think I can handle kazoos.
Poor cow died.
Oh, my head hurts.
Here.
I am literally crying. Oh my god.
Open.
I don't think I can handle kazoos. They do me in. I'm gonna put that away before I die.
Don't cry though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stickers?
I got stickers. Okay, you can have one of those.
Yay!
You have to put one right over your mouth the next time you wait.
I have stickers.
Stickers.
This one has marine animals on it. This one is cute. It's like pastel colors. It's got a banana and a rocket ship, and I don't know what the correlation is here. And this one's food. I got a gingerbread man. Are they scented?
Are they
No,
scented?
they just smell like stickers.
Whatever it is, sounds like it's a game.
It sounds like it's one of the one of those
It's a
things.
llama! Or an alpaca. I don't really know. I'm always bad at these. Oh, I got 50 points.
Hard or soft?
Soft?
That's your last one then.
Oh, okay. I thought soft meant that was going to you, but okay.
Alright, my last one.
It's not going to be a kazoo.
I love it.
Is it tiny playing
They're
cards?
tiny playing cards and they match the marine stickers. I'm okay with this one. The last one is a win, and I think the kazoo deserves to be a win. You got a squishy alien puppet.
Oh, I think there's something else in here.
You
I
got
got
two
two of
squishy alien monkeys? Puppets.
That's it. So,
This was fun. I think I'd do it again.
My question is, what was supposed to be the girl stuff and what was supposed to be the boy stuff?
I don't know. Maybe the girl stuff was more the stickers and
The
the
notebook.
notebook and the one of the kazoos, the bubbles. I don't know. Maybe the stencil.
Would you like one of these dudes? They can say goodbye to the people while we blow on kazoos.
I put mine away. It's gonna kill me.
I can't do it now. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh, kill me now.
Okay.